Hello, my name is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. I am going to show you how to change the digital cluster from the traditional way to the digital way. Let me show you how to do this. Go to the screen, then go to Setup, go to Vehicle, then go to Cluster, then go to Cluster Team Selection, and then is by default is linked to the driver mode. But if I select Cube, if you see here, change it to the cube form, so it's completely digital, only with the speed or RPM in numbers, not the traditional way. And if you see, when I push the pedal, the revs change, and the same will be with the speed. If you want to go to the traditional way, just link to drive mode and change to the drive mode. Depends on the drive mode, you know. But if you want to select one of the drive modes by default, you can change with this. For example, classical A, classical B, that is the sport mode. So always will be there in that option. And that's it. If you have questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.